Hello, my dear students. Before watching this video, you have to remember that if you have a fraction like 3 over 7, you can multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. So if it's multiplied by 2, so it's 6 over 14 will be the same. If you multiply it also by 5 and 7 by 5, 3 times 5, it will be 15. And 7 times 5 equals 35. This is called equivalent ratios or equivalent fractions. Also, you have to know that the mean equals what? The mean or the average equals the sum of the values over their number. So if you want to find the mean of set of values, you'll just add all of them divided by their number. Also, you have to remember that the rule of the difference between two squares, if you have x squared minus y squared, this is x minus y times x plus y. And also the perfect square, if it's x plus y all squared, this is equals x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And you have to know x plus y all squared, it's not equals x squared times plus y squared. Also, you have to know that if you want to find the percentage of any value, you will put the part over the whole times 100, and the answer will be in percent. The volume of the rectangular prism or the cuboid, its length times width times height. And also you have to know that if you have set of angles, supplementary angles, their sum equals 180 degrees. In this question, 3 over 4 equals x over 12. What is the value of x? How can we answer a question like this? This is 12 and this is 4. You can multiply the numerator here and the denominator times 3. So 3 times 3, it will be 9. And 3 times 4, it's 12. This is equal to the right-hand side, which is x over 12. Now we have the denominators are the same. It means the numerators also are the same. So it's x equals to 9, so the answer is C. Let's move to question 2. Compare between the square root of 80 and 9, which is greater. You can make both sides squared like this. So cancel the square root with power 2, so it's 80. And you know that 9 squared, it's 81. So 81 is greater than 80, so B is greater. For question 3, if A to B equals 3 to 5 and A plus B equals 40, how can we find the value of B? If you have a question like this, you can write A to B like 3 to 5. So the ratio between them is 3 to 5. So the actual number is 3x to 5x. Their sum equals what? Their sum equals to 40. So if you add the 3x plus 5x, it's 40. 3x plus 5x, it's 80. 8x equals 40. Divided both sides by 8, it means x equals 5. Now we have x equals 5, and we want to find the value of b, which is 5x. So it's 5 times 5, which equals if x plus 1 over x equals 5 over 2, what is the value of x? We have 0, quarter, half, and d, which is 1. We have to eliminate 0 because you know that 1 over 0, it's undefined. So we have to eliminate this 1. If you put x is 1, so it will be 1 plus 1, which equals 2. 2, it's not equals 5 over 2. If you put x equals half, so on the left-hand side, if you put x equals half, so it will be half plus 1 over half. If you have a fraction in the denominator, you can flip this number out. So we have half plus 2 times 1 over 1, which equals 2. So it's half plus 2, which equals 2.5, which equals 5 over 2, which equals to the right-hand side. So the answer is C. For question 5, calculate the average number of students in 1431, 1432, and 1433. In this question, you will calculate, this is 1431, which is 10. Then 1432, this is 12. Then 1433, this is 8. To find the average, you will add all of them. So we'll find their sum over how many values we have, 3 values. It means you'll just add 10 plus 12 plus 8 over 3. So it will be 30 over 3, which equals 10. So the answer is 8. Let's move to question 6. Lul spent twice as much money as Lamix. If the total amount they spent was 1,111 reals, how much did Lamis spend? So if Lulu spent X, so Lamis will spend 2X because she spent twice. Their sum together is 111. So we'll just add X plus 2X. This is equals 111. It means that 3X equals 111. Divided both sides by 3. So 11 divided 3. It will be 3 and the remainder is 2. 21 divided 3. It will be 7. It means the value of X equals 37. The answer is C. Let's move to question 7. If 42 students study math and 82 study chemistry, and the total number of students is 100, find the number of students that study both. This question, you will just add the first two numbers minus the third. So we'll just add 42 plus 82 minus 100. 42 plus 82, it's 124, minus 100, it will be 24. So the answer is B. For question 8, if x squared equals y squared plus 24, and we have x plus y equals 6, find the value of x minus y. At the beginning, you will move y squared from the right-hand side with the left-hand side to the left-hand side with different sign. So it's x squared minus y squared equals 24. And as we mentioned at the beginning of the video, we have difference between two squares. We can write it as x plus 6 times x plus y times x minus y. This is equals 24. So x plus y times x minus y, you can replace x plus y with 6. So it will be 6 times x minus y equals 24, divided both sides by 6. So x minus y equals 4. So the answer is 4. Let's move to question 9. What is the percentage of decrease in the industry between 2014 and 2015? Let's check 2014 and 2015. This is industry. It's from 1,000 to 900. It's logic 10%, but we'll use the formula, which is what? D over O times 100. And the answer will be 80%. D means the difference between the two numbers, 1,000 minus 900. The difference is what? It's 100. Oh, it means the original number. So the original number, it's 1,000 times 100. Now we can calculate. Answer will be in percent. 1, 2, 3 with 1, 2, 3. So the answer is what? It's 10%. So it's A. Let's move to the last question, question 10. If the area of the shaded square is 40, what is the percentage of the shaded according to the biggest square? Now, in the small square, how many shaded squares? We have only 4 shaded squares. Also, we can count the number of squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have, in each square, we have 25 squares. This one, we have 25, this one 25, this one 25, and this one 25. Their sum altogether is 100, so 4 over 100, which is 4%.